We are right now in Kashmir's winter wonderland. They call it winter wonderland not without a reason, because the sceneries around are absolutely stunning and surreal. We are in Gulmarg right now, and right now also one can see light snowfall that's on. Now that's happening even before the prediction. The Met or the IMD has predicted that around the New Year Eve, that's between 31st to 1st of January, light to moderate and even heavy snowfall is expected in the mountainous belts, including Gulmarg, which, as I said, is a winter paradise and the hub of winter tourism as far as Kashmir is concerned. Now, Valley has not seen it has not been a great 2025 for Kashmir tourism for obvious reasons, incidents that happened and shattered the tourism season. So the last hope of the tourism industry was snowfall. It has snowed considerably. As you could see, there's a white blanket of snow everywhere, giving it an absolutely mesmerizing look. Stunning look, in fact, and as the new year approaches, more snowfall is expected as western disturbance will get active over Jammu and Kashmir, especially Kashmir, and under its influence there will be snowfall in the mountainous belts as well as plains this time around. But already, as you could be seeing around me, these magical snowflakes coming down, doing a touchdown, and that is attracting tourism in a big way. As we came to Gulmarg, we found beeline of vehicles, people thronging this place and planning to spend their new year and take back memories from Gulmarg. So beautiful scenes here and more snowfall expected. But as I said, the cold is also going to get intensified. IMD has given a freeze warning for the first week of January for Kashmir Valley, where temperatures could plummet deep into sub-zero, and that could lead to small water bodies, small lakes and water sources getting frozen. At least the top layer would see a thick sheet of ice. So that's the kind of warning, but that doesn't matter. Once it starts snowing in Kashmir, the scenes are beautiful and everyone really enjoys. With Campus and Tariq Loan, meet Farid Gulmarg for India Today.